Terracotta bricks. There are a lot of things out there that connects us to our past. One such amazing tool that makes us understand and look back at our ancestors is the building material. Terracotta has been around us for over 3000 years. It is known for its durability, beauty, earthy tones, and textures. The term terracotta means fired earth, which also translates to the process of making its raw material. Here's a list of things that make terracotta bricks an excellent building material. Material is environment friendly. These bricks can also be repurposed and reduced to rubble for road construction. It lowers the energy consumption level. These bricks store heat energy during the day and release it slowly at night. They are resistant to acid rain. They are fire proof as they are treated in high temperature and can resist fire for a long period. These bricks minimize echo and sound waves. Some notable examples are the Great Chinese Wall, the Hagia Sophia, the Dome of the Cathedral in Florence, Italy. In India, its use was very prevalent in West Bengal due to scarcity of stones. One of the best places that use the terracotta bricks is Bishnupur in West Bengal. These types of bricks are majorly used in pottery, roofing, and fireproof walls. Here's a few examples on how these bricks are used in today's architecture. The Terracotta Studio. This masterpiece was designed by the Studio Espacio Tropical as the workshop of the renowned artist Le Duca. It is located in the Dien Ban district of Quang Nam, Vietnam, which is a structure enclosing concentric squares of 7 meters each. Pope John Paul II Hall, Rijeka, Croatia. This hall was designed by Randick and Associates for the Pope's visit to Rijeka, and it is located in an important pilgrimage site of Croatia. The color complements the monastery and the whole architecture gives a hip-roofed barn vibe. Children scribble inform the Terracotta School. An astonishing design by architect Samira Rathore Design Associates, located around the tobacco fields of Bhadran, Gujarat, is a school of dancing arts which consists of lopsided vaulted roofs that take the shape from a child's doodle. Terracotta has been used here as the primary material, not just in form of bricks, but also tiles and other finishes. Since terracotta has been a handy tool for construction for people all these years, many ancient architectural buildings are facing the wrath of aging. However, with more scientific research, the life of terracotta buildings could be much better in future.